In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can blend two images in just a click using Canva. So let's dive right in. First, we need to get a blank template. I'll be using a custom size. Next, we need to get the images we want to blend. So I'll go to Elements and search for the images. I'll be using this one. You can use any image to try this. Let me stretch it out. Then this one. Go to Apps. And search for Image Blender. Click on it. Then with our image, the first image selected, click on Blend Selected Image. Now you can rotate this just to the setting you want. You can increase the strength or reduce the strength of the image. You can as well use either linear blend type or radial blend type. So let's leave it at linear and click on Save when you're done. And let's see what we have. So this is what we have. Let's try another image. Let's go back to Elements and try this image. This one. And go back to Image Blender. Blend selected image. Rotate it how you want. Increase or reduce the strength. And that's it. So this is how to blend two images in Canva. I hope you try this out and let me see what you got. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.